Basketball, you betcha I'm back. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm so happy to get the week started, and I'm ready to begin. So let's get that workout in. First, we got to be able to dribble, right? So let's go with our stationary dribble. So first, we're going to go with what you know, low dribbles. Low dribbles right away. So you're going to go low dribble 10 seconds, mid dribble 10 seconds, high dribble 10 seconds, back to the other hand with the low dribble. Then you're going mid dribble. Then you're going high dribble. Again and again and again, we need to shoot the ball consistently every day. So that is what we are going to do. Got to start off with that form shooting. Remember, you are going to make sure you're getting that hand under the basketball, fingers spread comfortably. And then hand placement can vary depending on how comfortable you feel. I've been actually telling people to move their hand over a little bit more to either the right side of the ball or the left side of the ball instead of right in the middle. I'm also been telling people to find the threads a little bit more, just because I'm seeing more consistency for those who don't have that comfort shooting the basketball. So that's something you can try. And when you do that, it's going to automatically keep your elbow in instead of you trying to focus your elbow in, or people telling you, make sure you keep your elbow in and make sure you put your hand in the cookie jar when you shoot. So I'm trying to make sure you can go through some type of process where you remember it easier without someone having to tell you. So got our shooting form. We're going to go from the right side. We're going to go ahead and make 10 form shooting, right, in the middle, and then in the left. Then after we do that, we're going to get right under that basket. We're going to make shots just to see them go in more right off of that glass too. And then we're going to go with footwork, but we're going to do it at different levels. So you're going to do your footwork. You're going to be a short range, and you're just going to keep going back. Okay, so we're going to do that first, shooting on the baseline. You're going to do it on the left side, and you're going to do it on the right side as well. Just make 3 each when you're doing that, just so again you can get your form right in each of those spots as you go back. If you can't shoot the 3 yet, don't go back to the 3. Just go back far enough to keep it mid-range. And then you're going to go 3-level shooting after that. 3-level shooting will allow you to get your layups in and also your mid-range shooting, and then in your perimeter shooting as well. You've done this a few times with us. And again, you want to go full speed so that you can work on 1, the elevation and power in your layup, 2, the momentum shift and understanding that when shooting your mid-range jump shot. And then obviously you're going to pull up to the 3. So that's more of just a dribble up 3. You can start from half court. You can go full speed. Remember, we're going to go all right hand. Don't switch hands when you're dribbling and then try to lay it up. Make it realistic. Know that the defense is going to be on your inside when you're using that outside hand. Okay, so just try to imagine what it looks like in a real game as you're doing this drill. Then after you do that, let's go ahead and go with that drill where you're going to have 2 basketballs, right? And you're going to set that first basketball down where you can dribble to and counter. And you're going to dribble, cross over, slam that ball down with that same leg stop, defensive slide back, pick it up, make that counter, boom, slam it down with the 1 leg stop, and then continue this process. Today, we're going to go full court. How hard can you work? How much can you push yourself? Will you push through? If you have to take a little bit longer break, go ahead, be my guest. And we're going to do this 4 times. Okay, remember, there and back is 1. Okay, so this will be a full court drill. Continue to stay low as you progress through this drill. Try not to raise up too much. And again, if you're going to have to take breaks a little bit longer in between, that is okay. Then after we do that, let's get into shooting those 3s. I know we love to shoot them, and we're about to. Okay, so first we're going to run the baseline back and forth. You're going to put the ball on the ground, or you can roll it out. And let's go with 5 makes on the baseline and then 5 makes on the wing. Okay, again, not on each side, total. So you're going to make 10 total, and you can roll it out and use your footwork, or you can dribble to the spot, set your feet and shoot it. Okay, remember, you got to load up a little bit. Legs are going to start to get a little tired through each drill. and you got to make sure you're working your follow through. A lot of different things that you'll see is you'll be short, or you'll be pushing the ball, so you'll be really long. So sometimes you might see that ball go over the rim and hit the backboard. It's okay. You'll be okay. We get another shot. Okay, but just remember, we're trying to make shots, because in the game, we're not going to get as many shots as we do in training. So that is the only kind of downfall about training sometimes. You think you're going to get all these shots you're shooting in training and you feel great. Then you get in the game, you only get like 3 or 4 shots. So make the ones you take, all right? And now we're looking at shooting this 3 again. Let's go a little bit more stationary in it, and we're going to shoot that around the world 3. Okay, so we're going to go all to each spot on the 3-point line, using that 3-point line as much as we can, trying to make at least 15 threes. Okay, so we'll get about 30 shots here easily. Let's try to make 50% of those. All right. If we don't, that's okay. Move on to the next drill. And that next drill is going to be the star drill. Okay, star drill is going to have you running around again, but it's also going to have you working on your footwork. That is important that you focus on those details today. But with the star shooting, I want you to go 3 times in the star shooting, but it doesn't count if you don't make the free throw. You're only going to shoot 1 free throw at the end of the star drill. Remember, it's going to be baseline, wing, opposite wing, other baseline, and then right in the middle at the top of the 3. And then you're going to go to the free throw line to kind of calm yourself down from running and then get that 1 shot in. But you need to focus on making the free throw, okay? Because that's the most important thing. Then after we do that, we got a little bit of running, but it's going to be easy, right? So we're going to go full court dribbling. You're going to alternate that dribble. You're going to get that ball down the floor. You're going to go 5 total layups. Okay, so you're going to do that all on the right side and on the left side. So you're going to get 10 sprints up and down that court. All right, so once you lay it up on the right side, get it, go the other way, and then you'll end up on that left side when you're pushing the ball. And you get to alternate hands, so you're just going as fast as you can, and you're trying to get that ball down the court in less dribbles as well. So allowing you to switch hands is going to help you do that. All right. There's no particular time frame, just want you to make those layups and then also make these free throws at the end. Let's make 10, and that'll be it. Basketball U, the daily trainer, as always, is very happy to be here with you, and I appreciate you. And hey, thank you for everybody joining the community as we continue to do this training each and every day in every way to help you enjoy the game that you love to play. I'm out of here, and remember, someone's always working. Are you?